Hi, my name is Goran. I'm from the service department here in BEKA Hospitech, and I will show you today our service points on the nursing table Mona. The first thing you want to do is the visual check. Be sure there's no damage or cuts on the padding. Also, be sure that it's no damage underneath. Now you can check the side rails are working correctly. After the side rails, make sure that the brakes on all 4 castors are working correctly. So now we come to the electronic parts. The first thing you want to do is to check the Mona is lifting fully up and fully down. The next thing you want to do is to check the cables that are securely connected and make sure there is no obstruction to the motor. I hope the short video has helped you. Please remember to use your checklist when you're servicing the Mona. If you have any questions, please contact us. Bye.